Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to find the description on YouTube Shorts. Can't find the description of a YouTube Shorts video? Don't worry, I'll show you how to view it on both mobile and desktop. As for this video I'm gonna be using my mobile device. But for the desktop version, I'll be telling you the instructions verbally and just follow them and you'll be able to view the description on your YouTube Shorts on desktop. Now let's dive into the steps. The first step is viewing descriptions on mobile. That can be Android or iOS, depending on the device you're using. Now to do that, just open the YouTube app and go to the Shorts section right here in the bottom. Choose a short, click on it right here, play the shorts and tap on the three dots right here in the top right corner and select description right here. And as you can see, this is the description of the video. It's expanded below the video. As for the second step is viewing description on desktop. Now to do that, open YouTube on desktop by going to your browser and type in youtube.com. Sign in if you want to sign in and then go to the shorts section and play a short video. After that, just click on the three dots below the video title and select show more and the description will appear. The third step is to view links or additional infos in the comments. Some creators pin important links or details in the comment section, so scroll down to check if there's a pinned comment with extra infos. Now for additional tips, if you still can't see the difference, try switching to landscape mode, that means full screen mode on mobile. And know that not all creators add descriptions, so it may be empty. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to find YouTube Shorts description easily. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.